Coding, coding, coding. Now, everywhere we are hearing a word coding in order to start the career in IT. But is it really true? Without coding, can't we start our career in IT? Don't we have any applications in the IT industry without coding requirement? Yes, we have some technologies in the market without any coding prerequisite. We have one such technology, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. See, generally, we have many types of people in the market who want to start their career in IT industry. We have freshers, we have college passed out freshers, or we have people with long career gap, or we have people from non-IT backgrounds want to shift their career into IT industry, or we have the people who taken some breaks and they want to restart, and also people who are already in IT industry now planning to switch to good technology with high packages of 5 digit or 6 digit. But everyone will have a common concern, like, am I able to get into the industry because I don't know any coding language prior to this, or I don't know any prerequisites of IT related languages or coding anything. But absolutely no worries. Without any prerequisites, without any languages to learn, without any coding, as I mentioned, we have one technology, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So I am Kumar, founder director, TrioTech Software Trainings. So I am going to tell you about this particular technology. So in any organizations, in order to perform their day-to-day activities, this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications will be used. So in TrioTech Software Trainings, basically we started in 2015, and as of today, we train thousands of individuals in this domain. So I have personal experience with many candidates, like when they were interacted with me in their initial days of deciding to come into the IT with this program. They used to have a question, Kumar, really does this technology suitable to you? Can we learn this without any problem? Because we are not from an IT background. We don't know any type of codings. But still, can we learn this technology? People who have these questions in mind, who asked me these questions way back 5 years or 6 years back when they're starting their career in this domain, now they are working in top MNCs with 10, 20, 30 lakhs packages. The best part here is, I can tell you, people who question me like that, many of them are in very top designations in the companies. Even few of them were at the directorial level, and they are in return recruiting the candidates from TrioTech who are trained from us. So we have that kind of experiences with the people who trained in this technology. I can tell you very importantly that we have a very good testimonials about this placement success stories in TrioTech, where you can see in the display over here, or even you can go through our YouTube channel or our Instagram channel to find out the student success stories with respect to this technology. So people from any background, there is no educational constraint. If you are from BA, BCom, BBA, BTech or MSc or MBA, pharmacy, it could be any background that you are from. The best part with this technology is no company recruiting the candidate based upon their educational skills. Every company in this technology recruiting the candidates only based upon the kind of knowledge or the skill they have in this domain. Whether you are a trained resource in this technology, whether you have relevant experience in this technology, only these things companies are looking at. I can say that very few technologies in the market have this advantage. So if you are really passionate, if you are really looking to transition your career into IT without any coding prerequisite, or you are from any background, then this technology is absolutely suitable to you.
February 27th, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST.
There is a free free masterclass scheduled on this technology in TrioTech software trainings. I will be taking up the free masterclass demo and I am going to explain you what is this technology, for what purpose companies will be using this technology in the market. Once you learn this particular course, in what sort of companies, on what roles you will be recruited. Once you join the organization, what kind of work that you will be performing there and what kind of salary packages companies are offering to you. Down the line, next 15 to 20 years, where you can see yourself in this technology. These all things I am going to discuss with February 27th morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST demo class. So if you want to start your career in IT but stop there to choose which technology is suitable to you, then absolutely this will be the best choice to start your career in IT. So why you are waiting for? Please do reach out to the below display number and book your enrollment today for the free masterclass demo. February 27th morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. We are going to have a session on this technology where you will be getting maximum information about this particular course. So I'll meet you on February 27th morning 8 a.m. Thank you everyone for watching this video.